kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadin bu Menteri Rangba ke Jela Conrad kongkel sangma ulapin benapa ba Lyngba ke Rensan YouTube channel jong u ba ukaitor ba pau ha ke perthai barok ke wei u Bryan Adams unwan yuk kejat ha kanong ba Shillong na kabinta ban penbernya yiki reu e jingruai ban ya ke Jaka larai ban penlong ha JN Stadium Polo ha ka bana kalyang jong uru ulapin syai Lyngba ke jingya keren bat kilat pathai kubor minta ka sngi ka sautorik unailur da ka baong bara dapat ya ka prathai baro ka wei ki don bun ki kenja tamasa ki ba ki breu ki pendan kam ni ki madan bahe ban penlong ye ki program ba pher bat kila don ru ki tiar kitar ki brashna ha kata ka rukom ki ban pendon kam khnang ban Ïada ya natural turf khnang ba unom snew bat ye gani ka jo ko rukom ru an sa pendon kam ha JN Stadium kumjo u Conrad lo pentip ru ba yakani ka kam an sa IT hagi bre ki bala shamphang but hadin jo kataru na kalyang ka sarkar kan sa jurip na dong sadong halor ka rukom ai jingya da ya natural turf ubadan ha JN Stadium Polo wat lakin don ki benta ki ba uni natural turf ubadan ha Polo unjat na kadaw jong ka jingbo yiki rensan ru Henry yakini pat an sa maramot hapo nyos ni la kubur Menteri Rangba ka Jela.
If you look all over the world, not just in India, large stadiums, across the world, whether it's a football stadium or cricket stadium, they are always used in terms of having large gatherings and even concerts. Technologies are available today in the market where the entire natural turf is actually covered by a certain platform. And that platform is there, which will ensure that people don't stamp on the natural turf and destroy the grass. So these are platforms that are put there, very strong, very firm. These are, as I said, international level technology, which is used all over the world. That will be used again in JN Stadium to ensure that the natural turf is protected. And obviously the entire responsibility will be given to the organizers to ensure that particular platform is seen, and we will obviously double check the technology, and only if our satisfaction is there by the department that we will allow it. But we have seen this technology being implemented throughout the world, and therefore rest assured there will be no damage to the natural turf. Whatever little spots that will be affected because the platform will be put in place, those will be recovered within 7 days, and that's the normal procedure that's followed throughout the world. Reason why we're doing this is because obviously the investments that we have made in these kind of infrastructures, we would like to see that they are used for multiple purposes, and therefore we can raise the revenue, and overall we can see the utility of the space and the investments being made, and therefore we have agreed to this based on the condition that the technology of putting platforms to protect the natural turf will be implemented by the organizing company.